Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to check an incoming direct deposit on the Chase mobile application in 2026. So if you are expecting a paycheck, tax refund or government payment, you might want to know whether the deposit is on the way. So the Chase application and the online banking both allow you to check the recent and the pending deposits quickly. So let's go through it step by step. For that, first of all, simply open your Chase mobile application on your phone. Over here, either sign in with the help of your user ID and your password, or if you have enabled the Face ID or the fingerprint, you can also use that in order to log in into your account. So when you are inside, make sure that you are here on the home tab. Over here on the home tab in the spend section, you are going to see the information about your current accounts. So here simply look for the option for either your checking account or your current account. So checking account, basically the account where your direct deposits usually arrive. So this will open your account detail page showing you the current balance, the transaction history. So after selecting your bank account, simply select the option of get the account details. So over here, you will be redirected on this particular page where if a direct deposit is on the way, it is going to appear as a pending transaction before it officially posts to your account. So you can look for some of the entries which is labeled as direct deposit or ACH credit or the name of the employer or the payment sender. The pending deposits usually show the amount and the expected post date. So that's how you can find the incoming direct deposits on the Chase Bank application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.